Hi and welcome guys. Today this video is about this particular ADDIESDIVE watch. This is one of the most loved watch by me. This is the AD2095. Unfortunately, my son also liked this particular watch and he unfortunately broke the glass, and I was searching for this particular replacement crystal all over AliExpress, but I couldn't find one which could match the particular specifications. This is where you have plenty of doubts about these Chinese manufacturers and AliExpress watches, how they gonna help you out in a scenario like this. So many say that that's it, if you break a watch, particular store will not communicate, and so on and so forth. That's why I always recommend you a store which is ADDIESDIVE watch flagship store. I choose that particular store because the rating was so good, and especially when we communicated, the particular store communicated with me so nicely before I purchased this particular watch. So at the end, because I thought this particular watch was broken by me, this was a mistake by my son, and it's no point communicating to them because I need to find a solution by myself. So unfortunately, I couldn't find a crystal which is matching this particular one, because this is K1 mineral crystal and it's a double domed crystal, and it has all the specification. It's a high grade crystal for sure. I'll put a separate video on the crystal, how the crystal looks and how good the crystal and stuff like that. I had no choice. I wrote back to the store and asked them to help me out in this particular scenario, and they told me that they may be not having the particular crystal, but they said they could help me out with the new case. So there is the service, guys. If you have any doubt about ADDIESDIVE service, this is one of the examples for you. So guys, let's dive in and see what they have sent. This is the package they have sent. I will quickly unwrap this. They promised me that they're going to send me a new case because they may not have the crystal separately, and I paid a very small amount for this. It's not all that big, a very reasonable amount for my mistake, which is obviously breaking the glass is totally my mistake, because that is a good glass, you cannot easily break it. So here we go, they have sent me a new housing. Guys, please subscribe to the channel to help the channel. Many of you watching the video have not subscribed to the channel. So there is a kind request from me. It's extremely good packaging. Good protective case. Did I unwrap it? Here we go. Box of side. This is what they have sent. So guys, this is extremely good service indeed from ADDIESDIVE and ADDIESDIVE watch flagship store. Make a big thank to the ADDIESDIVE watch flagship store, because they are so kind to send me and help me out with this, because this is one of the most loved watch by me. That is the same watch I'm wearing in black, because I love this watch so much. The thing is, my son also likes the watch so much. That's why he unfortunately broke this one. So let's dive in and see how I gonna replace this. I gonna take this dial out and put it on a new case. So let's keep the new case aside and take this out. It's better if you can put it on this, but let me see if I can do it without the holder. So I can. I'm trying my best to show you all, guys. So this one comes with an VK64 movement. What we need to do now is to take this crown out. How to take the crown out from an VK64 movement is always with Seiko movement. You will have a small hole somewhere down there where you need to push and pull the crown out. So let us do that. This is how you remove stem from an VK64 movement. Find this push button here and just give it a little pressure and pull the crown out. This is how you pull the crown out. Now that we have taken the stem out, keep it carefully. Now we have to take the movement out. We need to take the movement holder first. I'll use a tweezer like this. Right, the moment holder is out. Now all you need to do is to take the moment out. Right, moment is out. Now this is the broken one. I have taken it out. Keep this aside. Take the new one. I really like to thank ADDIESDIVE Watch flagship store for this, for what you have sent me. It is really nice of you. If anyone having doubt about AliExpress or service of this particular watch brand, here you are. I'm showing this to you. That is the reason I want to show this video to you all, because these can happen to any brand. Swiss, Japan, USA, any brand you can come across such an issue. If you drop the watch, even a sapphire can break. Doesn't matter if it is sapphire or whatever the crystal is, it can break if you drop the watch. They have sent me with a new stem as well, which is even more kind of them. There's a protective film on the top. I'm not going to take it off at the moment. What am I going to do is see if there's any dust on the dial. Give it a bit of time. I'm doing this to show you guys. Sometimes I might, if I find any dust particles, I might redo it. I can't wait to get this watch back to its shape because I seriously love this dial. Yeah, when you take a good clean microfiber cloth and wipe it off. I'm putting it from this end because it's on chronograph. You need to align these chronographs. It is nicely pushed in. Let's see if it has aligned. You need to check if the pushers have aligned properly. I guess so. At this point of time, I like to put the crown in, so it aligns it well. I'll use the new one which came with the new case. It's nicely snapped in. Now you can see guys, we have perfectly put the moment, the holder, the case is perfectly aligned. Before you put the case back, let's quickly check if everything is functional. See if the chronograph pusher is working perfectly. No issues there. Let's quickly reset that and see. You can see it is perfectly resetted. Let's quickly change the time and see. First position, it should change the date. And this position, yes, everything perfectly functional. I'm extremely happy that I was able to get this watch back to shape. Let's quickly put the case back. Now tighten it up. So guys, this is the watch. We have brought the watch back to its normal condition. Now it's safer to take this protective film off. Let's quickly put on a strap and see. So guys, this is the watch. Absolutely, it's a stunning piece indeed. Let me quickly put this on. Guys, this is all about the service what ADDIESDIVE has offered. It's extremely good service indeed, because people have so much say about these AliExpress brands, and they don't give you after sale service and things like that. This is in front of you. See, you cannot complain this service, right? This is absolutely top class service from ADDIESDIVE brand, and also the ADDIESDIVE watch flagship store on AliExpress. And guys, I hope this video would have helped many of you to clear especially the doubt about services. And if the video has helped you all, please subscribe to the channel to help the channel so we can bring you more videos like this, and also hit the thumbs up button if you like the video.